Our friends at Mintay have released a new paper pad. It's called Better Times. It is 12 by 12. You can see a bit of the papers on the front, but I want to just show you every single one. Now, on the back of the cover, look at that. Look at all of those cutouts. Just wonderful, just a really great way to add extra embellishments to your projects. Let me show you the papers. Now you're going to get 2 of each one. So as you can see, just really fun birds and swing. And the back side is an all-over pattern. Here is another. Now, if you are a scrapbooker, your photos are going to go right in the middle. But if you're a card maker, think of this in terms of cutting it into quarters. This could be a card. This could be a card. These could either go inside or be on the front of another card. It gives you so much versatility for all your paper crafting. And there's the back side. Here we go with another. I really like the ribbons hanging from the trees. And on the back, here we have a wreath. Again, the same thing applies. Photos here or making 4 beautiful cards. There's the back side, and here's another. And wow, look at that, just a flurry of butterflies. And then you have more cutouts. In total, there are 79 cutouts. Now, these are easier to cut out than those on the back of the cover, but all of them are going to give you just a beautiful, beautiful look. All of this from Mintay, it's called Better Times.